Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Are Subarus expensive to insure? Whether you own a Subaru or you are purchasing one, you need to consider all the expenditures, including insurance. Subaru insurance varies based on several criteria, including the year of your car and your driving history. Subarus aren't the cheapest to insure, but they aren't the most costly either. The average cost of insurance for a Subaru car, according to Finder.com, is $2,014.32 per year or $167.86 per month. However, your prices will vary depending on specific criteria like your driving record and region. The following quotes for Subaru auto insurance may be beneficial when comparing insurance providers. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. What does the Subaru BRZ insurance cost? For 6-month coverage for a 2020 Subaru BRZ, the average cost of auto insurance is $1,642. The insurance cost is determined by the firm you work with, the year and make of your vehicle, your driving history, and your biography. We discovered that the USA offers the most affordable insurance for this two-door sports vehicle, with a 6-month coverage costing 46% less than the average. State Farm is the runner-up, with rates 35% lower than the national average. Does the average Subaru WRX insurance cost? Subaru WRX vehicle insurance is $1,722 per year or $144 per month. The average sports vehicle costs $2,135 per year, so the Subaru WRX might save you up to $413 each year. Like all vehicle insurance policies, the larger the deductibles, the lower the coverage costs. According to the figure above, WRX insurance premiums range from $1,534 per year for a 60-year-old driver to $3,408 per year for a 20-year-old driver. Teenagers should expect to pay substantially higher rates for WRX insurance. For example, a 16-year-old male driver with a clean driving record would pay around $6,186, while a 16-year-old female driver would pay approximately $5,448. By 18, male drivers' rates are approximately $5,378, and female drivers' rates are around $4,664. Some of the significant observations on Subaru WRX insurance costs are: 1. Expect to pay a lot to insure a teenage driver. Full coverage average rates for a 16-year-old driver. WRX insurance costs $6,186. $5,764 for a 17-year-old driver, and $5,378 for an 18-year-old driver. 2. Better credit scores are associated with lower rates, compared to a credit score of 670 to 739 in places where credit information can be utilized as a price factor. A credit score above 800 can save you $270 each year. On the other hand, a less than perfect credit score might cost $313 extra every year. 3. For high-risk insurance, be prepared for a price shock. Being forced to purchase a high-risk insurance policy for a 30-year-old driver might result in a $2,082 or more annual rate hike. Average insurance cost for Subaru Forester? On average, full coverage of Subaru Forester insurance costs $1,312 per year. A Subaru Forester's monthly insurance costs average $109 and range from $103 to $116, depending on the model level. The average cost of insurance in the compact SUV sector is $1,416 per year, so insuring a Subaru Forester might save you $104 or more per year compared to other similar vehicles. Cheapest Subaru car to insure. The low position of the Subaru Outback is attributable to the segment's limited size and the strength of luxury entrance, not to any problems in the vehicle. Subaru Outback insurance costs an average of $1,458 a year, or around $123 per month, depending on the trim level. The Outback AWD trim level has the best insurance rates, costing roughly $1,338 per year. The Touring XT AWD is the most costly model, costing $1,530 annually. In San Diego, California, Subaru Outback vehicle insurance costs $1,629. In Dallas, Texas, it costs $1,545. In Phoenix, Arizona, it costs $1,659. How much does it cost to insure a Subaru Impreza? Full coverage Subaru Impreza insurance costs an average of $1,312 per year. Depending on the trim level, the average monthly cost ranges from $99 to $120. Collision insurance will cost around $588 per year. Comprehensive, or other than collision, coverage will cost about $312, and the remaining liability and medical coverage will cost about $412. As a younger driver, you might pay more insurance if you fall into the high-risk driver category. While middle-aged drivers with clean driving records will have the best chance of finding affordable Subaru Impreza car insurance. Other factors to consider while comparing prices and insurance circumstances are: 1. Your line of work may save you money. Nurses, professors, high school and primary teachers, farmers, and others can qualify for discounts from most insurance providers. Depending on the driver's age, qualifying employment might save you anywhere from $39 to $158 on your Subaru Impreza insurance. 2. Teenage car insurance is too pricey. Full coverage average rates for a 16-year-old driver's Impreza insurance costs $4,704, $4,396 for a 17-year-old driver, and $4,108 for an 18-year-old driver's Impreza insurance. 3. Purchasing high-risk insurance is costly. A high frequency of accidents or infractions increases the cost by $1,580 per year for a 40-year-old driver. In conclusion, aside from looking around for the most excellent Subaru insurance rates, it's also critical to regularly review your insurance needs and pricing. It may be appropriate to compare insurance quotes again if your insurance carrier raises your prices or your insurance needs to be altered. You might be able to alter your insurance coverage if you add another vehicle to the home or pay off your loan. When you know the average rates for Subaru vehicles and what criteria go into calculating rates, finding insurance for them is simple. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.